What's up, guys? Today we are playing AB Anime Battle Arena / ABA, which is a short way. And today we're just playing Goku, so it's practically like a Goku Nonstop. So yeah, characters. We're not going to pick Vegeta. We have to pick Goku. Click select. Alright, guys, so it's just a Goku Nonstop. And yes, I finally got a microphone. I can finally play the game normally. Select. I hate you, Vegeta. Vegeta versus Goku. Goku versus Vegeta. Okay, come on, rush. Come on. Oh, this is Super Saiyan. I think that's just, yeah, that's just the skin. Jesus. Okay, Vegeta, I hate you. Jesus Christ, Vegeta. Well, we died. That's for sure. Alright. Let's go. Okay. Got him. Vegeta and Goku are actually teaming just to defeat him. Jesus. Yeah, we're dead. FL. We are dead. Okay. Yeah, I have to test this guy. I already tested him, so why test him again? That makes no sense. Huh. You didn't see that one coming, didn't you? Yeah, this guy's just AFK, so might as well. Come on, Vegeta. Damn it. GG. Just going to play with Goku. Slash Kakarot. Okay. Can play? I could play Sword. But yeah, nah. Grammatica. I hate free-for-alls, but let's just do this. I want to buy skin, if I even have enough. Why can't I move? Jesus Christ. Look, just let me move. I can't move. The game doesn't allow me. Did I rush? I can just use Gamma now. That's the only thing I can use. I'll buy it to reset. Which is the worst part. Started right up on the mic. That was cringe. Finally I can move. Okay. We are after this guy. We are after Kakarot. Simon Kakarot. Does that make sense? Does that even make any? You killed my kill. Okay, cool. I like to say like Stand rush. Ha! I knew what to do. I knew I should have done that. I've done it. Jesus. Bro, I'm not doing anything. Oh, okay. I'm not allowed to say that. Okay, hole. Hoes don't be hoes. What the? Okay, good. Oh my god. We're just the last ones to survive. He has awakening. Well, I need to use my rush. He had awakening. There are other players anyway. Bro, just 3 players. Where's the other one? What, he's AFK? Something? Sorry guys. Oh, come on. He has awakening, I cannot beat his awakening. The awakenings are so hard for me to beat. Oh, I'll put you guys for this screen. Jesus. You know what? AFK world. I pick AFK. Okay. Good. I wanna buy skin. Okay, so yes, he is in the AFK world. Random skin. Okay. Please be a Goku skin. What the? Okay. This score which I don't even use. I guess. What? What character? Okay, now I have a skin for him. Do I have another skin for him? Maybe this one. Ooh, I like that one. I'm just checking, guys. That's what we can. Go Deku. Nope. Vegeta. Zoro. No. Luffy. Luffy has no skin. Finally. Oh, so I got this 10. Okay, now I'm going back in the arena. You. Intermission. Come on. Okay, I guess tournament. I finally got a skin for Goku, which is my favorite. And I'm getting a new skin. Every time I have enough money for a new skin, I'm buying it. Okay. What? Okay, I can't move again. Come on. Okay, good. If I come on, give me a skin. I would love to get a Goku's. Hello, I have enough money. It's 25. It's 25 cash. Well, you're not even working. So they're down. Wait. You know, so we're buying, you know, from. I might as well buy it. Yeah, I've never seen a man. Okay. I want to use Goku. Okay. Come out. Rush it. Okay. This is on srry. Oh, I'm on the Reds team, so I'm supposed to kill Blue. I thought it was a Blue team. But
No, I don't know why I like to do this.
sorry if I'm doing that. Dear, I will get revenge on you for what you did before on me. I shall get revenge. I will and shall get revenge. Okay, you're red. Okay. I'll mute my mic real quick. Okay, guys. Now, why did I attack the Giorno if I'm on the red team and he's on the red team? Okay, that was unnecessary. Unfortunately, I will die. I will get revenge on some. Ah! Revenge! Ugh. I am dead if I don't go away. I swear to God, I will get revenge on you, cringe berry. I like you. I see you playing Minecraft. I like. Hey! I was about to roll a Kakashi. Yeah, I like Kakashi me. Well, I can't say it. I am not allowed. And wait, what? Winner blue team tie? Oh wait. Alright, guys. Okay, guys. Come on, let me buy a skin. Yeah, I will never.